Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Roblox on laptop. To start, go to the link we left you in the video description. Here, click on a game and click on the play icon. After that, click on download and install Roblox. Wait for it to be downloaded. When the download is complete, click on the file and click Run. Now you will wait for Roblox to be installed locally on your PC. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can see that Roblox opens and you will be able to play without problems in it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.